color's name, it's beautiful color. And 2D shapes, its third color name, blue color, brown color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, pink color, light pink color. Shapes drawing kits, green color, rounded rectangle, pentagon, circle, cube, square, sun, color fill kits, red color, rounded rectangle, brown color kits, pentagon, blue color kits, circle, green color kits, cube, pink color, square, blue color kits, sun, blue color kits, sun, rounded rectangle, pentagon, circle, cube, square, sun. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.